Hinge repair on Huawei BOB-WAI9Q laptop. Thank you, ma'am, Kimberly, for trusting PTTIT solution. A Hinge repair service was performed on the Huawei BOB-WAI9Q laptop to restore proper screen stability and ensure smooth opening and closing of the display. Over time, frequent use or accidental stress can cause the hinge mechanism to loosen or become stiff, which may lead to screen misalignment, cracking of the bezel, or damage to internal display cables if left unrepaired. The repair process began by safely powering down the laptop and carefully disassembling the unit to access the hinge assembly. Upon inspection, loose screws and weakened hinge mounts were identified. The hinges were realigned, reinforced, and securely tightened to restore balanced tension and stable movement. Special attention was given to the display and antenna cables routed through the hinge area to ensure they were properly positioned and not under strain. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.